Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax. Today we're going to look at a 2020 Yamaha AR240. We're going to start off on the stern of the boat. As you see, we got a nice seating area here. Plenty of room to sit around. Great place to watch the kids swimming in the water. Great place for water sports. Plenty of cup holders. Mount for a table. We have a stereo back here on the stern as well. Another great feature in this boat is this storage under each seat, port and starboard. Great place to keep your ski gear, ski jackets, tow ropes. Okay, inside the cockpit of the boat, as you can see, we have nice U-shaped wraparound seating. We have twin captain's chairs on this boat. We have full instrumentation, all electronic touchscreen. Comes with the USB and 12-volt adapters on the helm. We've got twin throttle controls. Nice big storage area under the starboard side. Ski locker as well. More storage under the helm. Moving up front to the bow, we've got nice big seating areas on this boat. Cup holders and speakers on the bulwarks. Nice grab handles. We've got an anchor locker up forward on this boat. If this is a boat you'd like to see more of, my name's Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thanks for watching.